Well, here we have it today. You can hear in the distance the wind absolutely roaring through the trees, and we're down in the valley here. Very sheltered really from strong winds, yet on my Sunto microlight wind gauge so far recorded 68.9 miles an hour, so 70 miles an hour, and as good as down here in the valley on a southwesterly is pretty severe, to say the least, for down here. And I should imagine Dartmoor would be topping over 100 miles an hour, certainly on tops of the hills. So it's been a pretty extreme windy conditions for down here in this part of the world, the southern uplands of Dartmoor, and down in the valley, which is very sheltered from a southwesterly wind. We have amber warning, as you can see from here, but also it was upgraded to amber warning for safe Devon and safe Dartmoor. As you can see on my Skywatch, 69.8 miles an hour was recorded, and this was on a 10-foot pole facing the wind direction. And snapshot here of the winds, 82, but it was 87 in up in Wales earlier on. And here you can see this shot here. I mean, there's 90-mile gusts on Dartmoor. Most places are over 70. It was a pretty amazing wind event, to say the least. And Brixham there has got 67 miles an hour. Most places, as I said, over 70 miles an hour. So yeah, it's been a pretty windy event. There was a bit of a lull in the wind this afternoon, but it picked up again as another weather front went through, and I think the wind picked up to about another gust of 55 miles an hour around 4:30. So that's a little event. Just signing off now for extreme weather, safe Dartmoor uplands, and Dartmoor itself. Hope you enjoyed it.